we're kind of almost at the end of running the engine in. We are in Stuttgart now, on our way up to AMT Motorsport. We just about have the 2,000 kilometers in. But today was a very important day because finally, the TÜV we've had for some time, but finally we registered the car in Germany, and this feels so special. It has been such a long way coming. It's all official now. It feels so incredibly good. Yeah, finally. I mean, I can't wait. Here's Nela, the best possible co-pilot you can have. And yeah, so we have about 2 hours of driving ahead of us now. I'm super late as always, so let's get going. Let's jump in the car and talk a little bit more about what it's been like to run the engine in. Yeah, basically, just about the past 4 weeks, I would say, the whole of April, past 3 weeks, we've gotten the running in done, pretty much. I have a couple hundred kilometers left. It's just a spring jumping on the front. But even more importantly, I got to have the car at home, in front of the garage, drive it sort of on a daily basis and figure out what things are wrong, what are small things that are still disturbing me, and fix those things. And that has been a huge help and very good just to get this car more sorted. Process, on one hand, it really tickled my foot basically because I just wanted to floor it, but on the other hand, it is such a rewarding experience after having built this whole car for 2.5 years and spent so much effort and money on it, and now I'm slowly getting to inch closer to flooring the car. First 1,000 kilometers we didn't do more than 4,000 revs, not more than 50-60% throttle, changed the oil filter, and then each 100 kilometers successfully we increase the revs by 100 RPM. So now I've revved it up to about 6,000 RPM, still 2,000 to go until redline, and that also not at full throttle, but already that just puts such a big smile on my face. Hearing the Hamas airbox, hearing the exhaust, it just all harmonizing, coming together, and the reward already is so high. That's about 60-70% throttle, and it's already so addicting. To AMT Motorsport. Sun is still out, thankfully, so we're quickly gonna change the tires. She's patient and wants food. And yeah, after that we're gonna take the oil out and put in a new oil, a new filter, and then we're good to go for the ring this weekend. here we are now at the Nordschleife. I bought the season ticket. The car is ready. It's sitting on Nankang Air ones, which is not going to be the final tire setup. They're slightly used, but they have very good profile. They're in good condition. And this is going to be enough to just kind of roll into the car, get comfortable with it for the first time. And then at the end of May, when the car is going to finally be living at the Nordschleife, if you will, I'll be putting the Dunlop Durezzos on here. But here it is sitting now, basically ready to go. I'm going to take you along for the first lap. Very excited to show you that. And before we do get into driving, I did quickly want to talk to you about a new partner or sponsor I have for the brand, which is Detailify. So they're a great company that offer a huge range of detail and cleaning products for cars. Here I only have 4 products. They basically do everything. Do check them out. They work as good as any other known brand, but what's even better about them, everything is, in German, biologisch abbaubar, which means it is decomposable. So it is good for them, or it's not bad for the environment. It cleans the car, and this is what I'm going to be using on the M3. I've been using it a lot already in my daily cars. I'm very happy with this stuff. I have a few of these towels, which I use for drying the car, you know, for kind of like touchless cleaning the car just with the pressure washer. We have another towel here for cleaning the windows. So yeah, please do check them out. There's a link down below. Let's get going. Let's head to Custom Race Tech and do some first laps. Okay, my heart's beating. today. concentrate, but man, I didn't even rev it out. I've been revving it for the past 2,000 kilometers until like 4, 5, 6,000 RPM. And those last 1,500 RPM, like there's so much rev left, it's incredible. And that's where the car goes. It's a high revving engine. It f***ing goes. And the car, I mean, bear in mind, this is the kind of like one of the first TTX suspensions from Öhlins. And Carl kind of thought what to put in spring rates based on his experience from other suspensions, and the car already feels so good. I think there still is a lot of tweaking to do, but it just already feels so good. It's incredible. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get every 10th out of this car, even though it doesn't matter, but just get every potential. And at one point, as you may or may not have noticed, I did kind of get the knife between my teeth and did push a little bit more, but this was nowhere near its limit. Nowhere near its limit. So yeah. Alright, first lap done. That felt good. Let's now check the tire pressure and do a few more laps. We still have 1.5 more hours. Let's get warm with the car.